Larry Williams, he's the trader who started with $10,000 and turned it into over $1.1 million in just 12 months. That's the story that we all know, and today we're delving into those same indicators, strategies, and trading methods that he used, but with our own unique twist, automating it. But before I continue, if you love automated trading, then be sure to add this channel to your subscriptions, click the bell notification icon too as well, and thumbs up on this video. Your support truly helps me keep creating these videos. Now let's dive into the core of the discussion today, Larry's indicators. To give you a brief overview, an indicator is a mathematical calculation that can be applied to a stock's price pattern to forecast future price. Don't worry, let's break down exactly the indicators that Larry was using in his legendary strategy. The first tool in our toolset is the Donchian channel. On TradingView, sign up link in the description, click on indicators and search for the built-in version of the Donchian channel and add that to your chart. This indicator isn't just a simple line on the chart, it's a series of bands that gives us a dynamic range of potential price movements. When a price crosses above the upper band, it's often a strong sign that an upward trend is picking up steam, potential lucrative buy signal. However, during periods of price consolidation, which in simple terms just means that the big players are either taking profits, taking a break from the charts, or buying up stocks before the market makes its next move, the Donchian channel can produce false signals. But fear not, that's where the second deadly weapon comes in to strengthen this strategy. Our second indicator is the Larry Williams Large Trade Index, or LWTI. In the TradingView search bar, just type in the Larry Williams Large Trade Index, click on this one, and the LWTI is skilled at uncovering the hidden rhythms of the market. It can identify larger trends that drive market movements, and when the LWTI spikes, it's a sign of significant market activity, often indicating a powerful trend that could lead to a profitable trading opportunity. It's essentially telling you when the whales are stepping into the market. This is an example of a perfectly executed buy signal, but just like any tool, it's not completely flawless, and it could be overly sensitive to short-term market fluctuations. And that could result in false signals like this one. The third part that I added to make this a super strategy, which is my own proprietary flat market detector. It acts as a filter to turn the bot off when volume is low. So that sudden increase in volume can confirm a strong buy signal generated by the Donchian channel and the LWTI, but with the flat market detector, it's really going to wait until that signal confirms. So during periods of lower market activity, when you don't really want to be trading at the charts and you don't want your bot to be over trading and drawing down your account, this flat detector has come in super handy for helping me out in both live trading and automated trading. That's why it's a vital part of my toolkit to use in conjunction with these other two indicators. When I combine the power of the Donchian channel, the LWTI, and the flat market detector, I get a robust and comprehensive trading strategy. And the results speak for themselves. The strategy also takes into account the strengths of each tool and compensates for each of their weaknesses. But then came the real challenge, transforming these insights into a comprehensive executable strategy. Each indicator was broken down and their interactions with each other, their responses to market changes, and their combined strength was examined in extensive backtesting to create a powerful, cohesive strategy. This strategy draws on the same principles that led to Larry's phenomenal success. Larry Williams used this strategy with wild success, and here are the backtesting results, which are projections of how the strategy would have performed historically. Now the backtesting period here is over 20,000 previous candles, encompassing every type of market condition you could think of. And I'm truly impressed with how the strategy has historically performed. I mean, just look how insane these results are. And I've got this bot hooked up live, which I'm gonna update you on exactly how it's performing. But I didn't just stop there, I ensured that this strategy is also accessible for you and it's easy to use. Hence, I've automated this entire system for you already. That means once you have it set up, it will trade for you. And if you want to get in on trying it, you can subscribe to it as it's optimized currently for the Cardano chart. This has been made possible by Pinex, one of the leading platforms for automated trading. To subscribe to the advanced version of the strategy for free, simply register for Pinex using that referral link. And I'm not recommending this, but if you are in a restricted region, I've heard of people theoretically using a VPN to bypass that, but definitely do not do that. So for me, since I'm not in a restricted region, I can click on more than GPT Marketplace on the global site. Then I'll scroll down to Larry Williams SmartBot. click subscribe, and then I'll input my investment amount. I can monitor this trade history also by just clicking on trading bot orders. Once you've signed up, you can either subscribe to any bot on the marketplace, or if you have TradingView Pro, you can even use the signal bot feature on Pinex to directly link TradingView with Pinex. So you could send signals directly from any strategy on TradingView to Pinex for free other than your TradingView Pro subscription. They have an easy to use tool that allows you to set up custom payload messages and webhooks to activate the bot. It generates it for you and you can input it in about 5 or 10 seconds. This ensures that you never miss an ideal trading opportunity and can take full advantage of the strategy that I've developed. Or you can customize one for yourself by joining the Trade Tactics Discord, where the entire community is working on building strategies together. Of course, with every trading strategy, there comes potential risks, and the market is a volatile entity. Even the best strategies can sometimes falter, but that's where the beauty of this strategy lies. By drawing on Larry's indicators and ideas, we're using tried and true methods that have withstood the test of time. But some of these potential risks can include market volatility like liquidity sweeps, changes in economic conditions, and of course, unexpected news events, which this bot can equally capitalize on. So our goal is to historically map on these amazing results with potential but not guaranteed future results. In the coming weeks, I'll share with you specific examples of the good and bad trades that this indicator and strategy took, and I'll walk you through my decision-making process and explain why I made certain choices, tweak the strategy, and what I learned from each of these trades. This way you'll get a real-life understanding of how this strategy actually works and hopefully follow in the footsteps of Larry Williams himself. Now, I hope that you're as excited about this journey as I am, because this approach combines the wisdom of Larry Williams with modern automation and backtesting techniques, and I believe that it's a game changer. Now, to make the most about my upcoming content about the strategy's performance, I encourage you to test it for yourself. This way you'll not only learn about the strategy, but also get hands-on experience using it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get notified when I do that. So buckle up and get ready for a deep dive into the world of the Larry Williams renowned trading strategy. Stay tuned for more updates, and as always guys, happy trading. And before you go, don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on the strategy or any questions that you might have. Also, if you found this video helpful, please share it with others and click the thumbs up button. It really helps the channel out. Remember, trading is a community, and the more we share, the more we all grow. And if you want to reach out to me, just join my free Discord server. The link's down in the description. I'm usually active in there almost every day, and I'm adding free strategies all the time there. See ya.